Hi guys, drive clean here. It's quite a big drive, so I'm just going to make this introduction quick because I'm quite behind. Crazy traffic coming through, and when I went to get my wellies out the outhouse, I basically poured a load of water out of them, so I think we had a leak through the roof, which you only seem to leak in my welly by the way, but good start of the day. So I'll turn you around now. So quite a big drive, and I know a couple of you have said that you want to get yourself a rotary cleaner, and I wish I had one here, but I definitely will get one if the driveway cleans keep coming sort of semi-regularly. I know it makes such a difference in time and things, so definitely get one of them, but I'll film as much as I can again anyway, and hopefully it'll turn alright. But I want to crack on. I'm going to get the edging done and then I'll set the camera up. Right, I'm getting there guys. It's taking absolutely ages. I'm really going to consider getting one of the rotary cleaners, like, because it's, especially during the winter when you're sort of up against time and getting dark and stuff. But it's coming up nice anyway. I need to give it a rinse off obviously. finished, guys. Good job, because it's starting to get dark and I need to clean up. It's come up really nice. I'll be back in a couple of days to resand, and it's probably going to have an hour's worth of tidying up now. So I'm back to resanded. It's been about 10 days since I've done the job. It's just been so wet, and rain's forecast as well for the next few days, so that I've got a tiny little window today. Half of it's dry, half of it isn't. Got this half dry, that half isn't, but the sun's just starting to poke through, so I'm hoping by the time I've done this half, that half will be done. So I'm going to film it on a separate video. If you want to see that, click here.